Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here to show you a spectacular countryside property with 32,000 square metres of land planted to olive and 190 square metres built. Access is very easy and we're around 40 minutes from Granada City and about an hour and 15 minutes to Malaga Airport. So I'll give you a first glimpse of the house in all its glory. It has underfloor heating and was built to an extremely high standard. There's lots of insulation, so the house is very cheap to run. There's plenty of roof space so that you could easily put up solar panels. It has well water and mains electricity. The cable for the mains runs underground so that you don't have to see ugly cables running through your land. There are two entrances. This one takes us straight into a utility room where you have some of the mechanics that run the underfloor heating. And then just off here on the left is a room which is an office, but obviously it could also be a bedroom. Makes a perfect office. And then through to the large kitchen, fully equipped, lots of cupboard space, nice granite worktops with double sink, air conditioning unit. As you can see, there's room for a table in here too. And from here we have the absolutely wonderful sitting room with these just beautiful high ceiling in here. It's an absolutely stunning space, full of light, has a really good feel about it too. Nice big windows that look over the garden, and also this one which looks over the fields and towards the Sierra Nevada. It's a very quiet location. Then as we go through to the corridor here, we have a bedroom off to the left, nice good sized room, and then a family bathroom, fully tiled, floor to ceiling tiling. I'll see with a shower at the end. Let's take a look. I really can't stress enough the quality of this build. It's something that we would talk to you about probably at length because it deserves full explanation. And then we go through to the other bedroom. This one's an ensuite. It's also a shower room, again fully tiled. Nice big room. And just here is the other way that we can get into the house. And then we'll go out and we'll take a look at the poolside area. And as we come out of this exit, we have a nice little bit of garden here. It'd be a very pretty place to sit and have your breakfast while you look over your land and towards the Sierra Nevada. And then the pool area is down here. The pool was constructed last year and there's a large shed as well. Everything was done, as I said before, with planning permission, so you don't have to worry about any problems with the town hall or the local government, because absolutely everything was done correctly in this house. We go around the back side here of the house and there's another little terrace, so any time in the year you can find sun or shade, which is always welcome. Go through the gate here down towards the pool, and on this part of the land is the septic tank. It's again fully legal and it's a 2-tank biologic septic tank, so it's a very high quality again. And via this little gate here we come to the pool. It's a nice size, it's ideal. You don't really want anything bigger than this to be cleaning or looking after. There's a little robot that cleans the pool, and then from here there's a small terrace and you can again look over the land. Let's go round to take a look at the shed and also the machinery for the swimming pool. As you can hear, it's a very, very quiet location. Of course, you don't have to do the olives yourself. You can get a neighbour in to do that. So you have a really good sized shed here. And then this is the pump room for the swimming pool. And because it was only constructed a year ago, everything is new. So it's everything that you might need. And here's the view of the house from this side. So I'm going to take you up now to have a look at the main garage. We're now above the house and on the parking area next to the garage. It's a nice big space. This here is a 3,000 litre water tank. Here's your wonderful views. You get the most glorious view of the Sierra Nevada from here. It's very easy to get high-speed internet from here. You can get some that comes from that mountain over there. Or, of course, there's the Starlink option. And I think this platform here would be just a wonderful place to sit in the mornings and have a cup of tea and just look at the view. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and share. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. And also, if you hit the notification bell, you'll be informed of all of our upcoming videos as we upload them. We look forward very much to showing you this wonderful property. If you have comments or questions, please leave them in the section below. And if you would like to book a viewing, also do that in the section below. We look forward to welcoming you here into your new home in Andalusia, in the province of Granada. Thank you for watching.